When you call me a beast, okay? When you call me a bitch, okay? It's Miss Fat Cocky Bitch to you, okay? Welcome back to the channel. So I know this is like middle of the week, kind of like spur moment. You know, I normally do like reviews on clothes and stuff on the weekend, but today, right? So I am actually going to be doing a review on this boutique that I am a brand ambassador for, that I absolutely love and adore. It's called Juicy Body Goddess. But before we get into that, again, let's get our housekeeping out of the way. Y'all know how this works. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Also turn that notification bell on so that when I post, you can get the latest and greatest on what's going on. What? She. Ha! So let's get into our box. So this is actually their Body Goddess. I think that's the name of the box. I could be wrong, and I do apologize, boo. I'm so sorry. So what it is, it's myself. I mean, y'all, let's just take a moment. Let me turn this upside down because my address on the front. Some people may be creepy. Let's just take a minute to tell, take a minute to tell you about her and her movement. So she is a boutique that is based out in Charlotte, North Carolina. And she caters to women of all sizes, but she does really like plus size clothing, right? To the point where her brand goes to 6X. Most online boutiques, they're crazy expensive. She's not. She's very affordable. Her clothes are very nice. So none of that do-rag material. Yeah, I said it. Do-rag material type, like skirts and dresses. And she don't only stop at 3X. She go all the way to 6X, y'all. So not only can the BBWs get some love, the SSBBWs can get some love too. That's our super sexy BBWs, for those that don't know, okay? But for all jokes aside, I really dig her vibe. I dig her movement because it's about women empowerment. She has like a whole t-shirt line that she does with like different sayings on it. And I mean, you gotta be comfortable in who you are to be rocking with the Juicy Gang. You know what I'm saying? It's about 500 plus of us, okay? And we all confident, strong women. We dap each other up. I actually am going up there at the end of July to Charlotte to do a photo shoot. Y'all, she even got super. You heard me. We'll say I'm super coming in August. Let me tell you something. If you ain't got tickets to see Super in Charlotte, you need to get them. I will link her information down below, her Instagram page, so that you guys can definitely go and get tickets, because this is a movement that she's doing for just women empowerment, period. No matter if you have your own clothing store or if you do makeup or whatever, girlfriend is backing us up, y'all. So I am truly, I know it's a gajillion women out there she could have chose, but for her to choose me as one of her brand ambassadors, it really means a lot. This is no gas, no smoke. This is just true. This is true. I'm truly honored. So now that I'm done doing that, this box that I turned over that fell to the side, let's open. Okay, yes, I'm using a nail file to open it. Judge me later. Y'all know how I get down. Y'all been following me long enough to know how the kid gets down. Okay. Hey, it's my juicy box. I got my juicy box. I know y'all like, it's ghetto. Yes, girl. So this is the juicy box, honey. Yes, to the juicy box, yes. So it says, of course, Juicy Body Goddess. And she gives you her mission statement. And what Juicy Body Goddess is all about is y'all see the logo at the bottom. Don't sleep on it, honey baby. That's a baby W down now. So it just says, I was reading something on the back. But yeah, it just is about her brand and her boutique, what she's about. So let's unwrap this bad boy. Show you right, honey. So I got some juicy. Oh, I got a pen. You got a pen. I love pens. Y'all, if y'all don't know me now, I'm like a hoarder when it comes to pens, cause I like to put them on hats and stuff. So this is the pen, guys. Let me turn it this way so that. Wait a minute. Hold on, don't you hold that thought. Wait a minute. Yeah. Okay. So this is the pen, guys. And it says, big girl with confidence. Come on, sis. You ain't have to do them like that. Big girl with confidence. That's at the top. I kind of can't focus. Then it says Juicy Body Goddess. Is it focusing? Anyway, y'all gonna see this pen a lot. Don't get it twisted. Let me move this. I like this wrapping paper, honey. I'm a fan of wrapping paper. So I got some Sakis. Oh my God, they hecka cute. And they say juicy. Juicy. Juicy fruit. Juicy. I'm so extra. Then I have a t-shirt. Wait a minute, what my t-shirt say? Hold on. Let me open up this t-shirt. Let's see what our t-shirt say. Hold on, wait a minute. I'm just gonna rip the shirt open. Bitch, I know you lying. I know you lying. Let me put it on. I ain't even gonna tell you what to say. Stay tuned. Y'all ready? Y'all ready for the shirt? You sure you ready? Get with it, bitch. Get with it. I said bitch. Because I didn't know if I wanted to get with it. Folks get with a bitch, so I decided bitch. Fat cocky bitch. Yes, honey. I love it. I'm going to tell you why I love it. A lot of people will look at this and probably think it's like disrespectful. Now, mind you, ladies, if you don't want to wear this, she has plenty of other shirts that don't say this word right here. If you want to find another shirt that just represents you as a plus size woman, you know what I'm saying? I actually chose this shirt. I'm not gonna lie, I slick forgot that I chose this shirt. Like I really forgot. So when I see it, I was like, I know you lying. I forgot because it's me. It's me. I have been called fat. I have been called obese. I have been called everything. But when people see me and they're like, oh, you fat, you nasty, you sloppy, or oh, you think you cute for a big girl, or oh, I've even been told this, you're too cocky for a big girl, or you're too cocky to be that big. This shirt is perfect. And it was right on time because this shirt says, I'm a fat cocky bitch. Don't get it twisted. Queens that run the world over time, like not over time, but in the past that have ran the world, have been called bitches, whores, sluts. But guess what? People still bow down to their feet. Don't get it twisted, ladies. Just because somebody calls you that does not mean that it's always a bad thing. That just means that you're a woman that don't take no mess. You don't take no crap. So when you call me fat, okay, when you call me obese, okay, when you call me a bitch, okay, it's Miss Fat Cocky Bitch to you, okay? Just so that you know, don't get it twisted, okay? Now let's get into this shirt. So, I love this shirt. This shirt is actually a 3X, ladies. I love a good shirt, especially this t-shirt, because as we all know, my posterior is bigger than most. So if I pull it all the way down, it actually comes like well under my butt. It is very stretchy. It's so light. I love how light it is. But if I want to pull it up, I can. It still gives me like a good t-shirt vibe. Even if I wanted to do like, if I didn't have these hips like this, honey, I would do like a little knot on the side, make a little crop top. Y'all know I turned everything into a crop top. And this right here, guys, this is actually on the shirt. Like it's in the shirt. So we ain't talking about something that's finna flake. Like this ain't coming off. Look at that. That ain't coming off. That's the good thing about this, that this isn't coming off. You can wash it. And then let's say that it does fade over time, which it doesn't. And I'm not saying that it will. Because of the way this lettering is, it's going to fade right into it. So it's still going to work. I love it. Ah. Y'all know I love a shirt with a good saying on it, honey. I'm just saying. She feeling real sharp right up and now. She feeling real spicy. Spicy. And I'm going to take some spicy pictures. And if you want to see the spicy pictures, follow my Instagram at TrueBeautyEST85. Also follow Juicy Body Goddess, who is the creator, the queen that has been blessed within herself to come up with all this. So guys, we have reached the end of the video. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And until next time, bye Sheen Nation.